developing news right now. A broken water main sends a flood of water down neighborhood streets. Our assignment manager Mark Lewis at the desk with a video of this. Mark, good morning.
Kalina, so LADWP says this was only an 8-inch main that broke, but boy, did it send a lot of water down the neighborhood streets of the Westlake District. Take a look at some video. Now, this morning here at the desk, we heard both LAPD and LA City Fire respond to reports of street flooding in the Westlake District near South Westlake Avenue and 6th Street about 3:45. Now, when our breaking news crew got to the scene, found all of this. This is clear evidence there was a broken water main under the pavement somewhere. That is a lot of water flowing down Westlake Avenue. Now, LA City firefighters couldn't get this one turned off on their own, so they called LADWP repair crews to the scene. And those crews still working on this when our crew shot this video. DWP says it's an 8-inch main somewhere under the pavement that's broken, and about 20 customers in this area are going to be without any water pressure until they can get that main turned off and the water pressure rerouted. And then, of course, the repair itself is going to take several days of digging up that street to replace the pipe. No word yet on what caused that pipe to break in the first place. That's it for the desk.
All right, Mark, thank you.